Hello everyone, good morning. We're talking about climate change. I am Jason Partulan and my colleague Hyacinth Pakana. Climate change is one of the most serious challenges our world is facing today. Rising sea levels, stronger storms, and unpredictable droughts. These aren't part of a distant future. They are already happening. In this presentation, we'll explore the causes, effects, and solutions to climate change, focusing on how it affects our environment, our health, and our society. We'll also talk about the urgent actions we must take together to protect our future.
The escalating threat of global warming. Global warming is caused mainly by greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane. These gases trap heat in the atmosphere, making the earth hotter. Where do they come from? Mostly from burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas for electricity, transportation, and industry. As temperature rise, ice melts in the Arctic and Antarctic. Sea level go up and the weather patterns become unstable. Plants, animals, and people are all struggling to adapt, and many can survive the rapid changes. Human impact, health, and displacement. Climate change doesn't just affect the planet, it affects people. Heat and pollution increase asthma and other illnesses. Diseases like malaria and dengue are spreading to places that never existed before. And millions are being displaced, forced to leave their homes because of rising seas, floods, or drought. This leads to crowded cities, job loss, and even more poverty. It's human crisis as much as it is an environmental one.
Economic and social consequences. The damage caused by climate change is expensive. Infrastructure like roads, schools, and hospitals get destroyed. Crops fail, food becomes scarce, and prices go up, especially in poorer countries. And sadly, the ones who contribute least to the problem often suffer the most. This deepens global inequality and creates more tension over resources like land and water. How climate change disrupts biodiversity. One major solution is switching to clean energy like solar, wind, and hydropower. These produce electricity without polluting the air.
Strategies. How we can act now. We still have time to act. One major solution is switching to clean energy like solar, wind, and hydropower. These produce electricity without polluting the air. We can also protect forests and oceans which absorb carbon dioxide naturally. And we must prepare our communities by building climate-resilient infrastructure and adopting smarter farming techniques.
Individual actions matter. Yes, governments and companies need to lead, but we, as individuals, also have a role. We can recycle more, use less electricity, avoid single-use plastics, walk, bike, or use public transport, support sustainable brands. Every small step matters because millions of small actions can lead to big change. Protecting our planet for future generations. Climate change is real, it's serious, but it's not too late. By understanding the problem and working together, we can protect our planet for future generations. So let's not wait. Let's start now because the future is in our hands.